architectural drawings. So I have scaled over here 4 meter as the height of this particular floor, and I will go back to this particular riser. There is how many risers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 risers it is for this particular building. Okay, so let me go first to this particular riser. Okay, the riser ducts, it is entering from this. Before that, this is all counted as a roof ducts. So first I'll take the size, the quantity for this particular ducts. Okay, so the ducts which is mentioned over here, size it is 300 by 300 EAD. So I'll go back to my linear. 300 by 300. I'll click OK, and I'll take it this ducts from here till here, this floor. Okay, the next ducts, this is the ducts. Okay, the next duct from here to here, the size it is 300 by 250. I'll rename this ducts as a EAD. Fine. Now there is one feature for PlanSwift. You don't need to again take it from linear. You can just right click over here, duplicate this. Okay, and you can change the sizes of this particular ducts. 300 by 250. The other size over here it is 250. I'll click OK. I'll take it again from here. I'll take it from here till here. Fine. Now again 300 by 250. I'll take the same ducts. I'll put it till here. Again 300 by 250. I'll take it over here. I'll just stretch it till here. 300 by 250 again. So sometimes for the same floor, same duct size it is being used up to here. Now 250 by 250 ducts. I'll just duplicate over here. I'll change this one particular size. One size it is same, the other size is 250. Fine. I'll click OK. I'll take it over here. I'll take it till where it is 200 by 250. It is till here. For 2 floors, it is same duct size, 250, 250, same size. So I've taken from here till here. Fine. Now the next size it is 250 by 200. We are talking about only EAD. We are not taking for FAD. FAD we will do it in the later stage. I'll duplicate this again. I'll take it 250 by 200. Okay, click OK. I'll take it from here and I'll take it till here. Fine. Now the next is 200 by 200. Duplicate this. 200 by 200. 200. Click OK. I'll take it from here. 200 by 200 till here. Fine. Now 200 by 150. I'll take it over here, duplicate this, 200 by 150. 1, 2, 3, 150. Okay. Take it till here. The next size is 150 by 150. From here till here. The last size it is, the last ducts for EAD, it is 150 by 150. 150. Okay. Take it from here, here till here. Okay. So for this particular riser, we have already taken the quantity for only for EAD. Fine. Now the next is our FAD, fresh air units, fresh air duct. Sorry. This we have taken only EAD. Now we will take for the FAD. FAD, the first ducts which is there from here till here. That is 1000 by 950. I'll duplicate over here the same ducts. I'll write it here FAD space 1000 by 950. 1000 by 950. I'll click OK over here. I'll take it this, I'll take it this, I'll take it from here till the first row. Okay, now 1000 by 950, that's 1000 by 900, sorry. I'll duplicate again. I'll change this 950 to 900, click OK, take it from here till here. Fine. The next duct, it is changed to 950 by 900. I'll duplicate this. So this 900, it is same. The other size, it is changed to 950. Click OK. Again, take it over here. I'll take it till here. Fine. The next duct for the FAD, 950 by 850. I'll take it over here. So 950, one size it is same. The other size it is changed to 850. I'll click it OK. Take it from here till here. The next size it is 950 by 800. Duplicate this, 850, and the second side is 800. Click OK. I'll take it from here. Escape. Okay. The next duct, it is 900 by 800. So again, I'll duplicate this. The one size 800, it is same. The 950 becomes 900. I'll click OK. I'll take it over here. I'll take it till here, only for one floor. The next